Welcome to the last 30 days vlogs. So my supervisor is really sick with bronchitis, so she's not gonna be at work today. That means I get to organize all my stuff for my final community project today instead of trying to do it like over the weekend or rushing to do it Tuesday and Wednesday, my last 2 days in the school. So this trash can is the new trash can that I bought for my final community project. Look at that bad boy. Look at that bad boy. Hola. 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 Ciao. Ciao. All right, I'm making some progress on this desk. I still have all that to put into a binder, some of that stuff, and then all these flashcards to organize. So I realized a couple things yesterday and this morning. One, I miscalculated the number of days to really be doing this vlog, or vlog, I suppose. But I started 2 days early. It's really supposed to be 30 days having started on March 9th. So there are gonna be 2 bonus days at the end. So if you're enjoying these, you're in luck. 2 more. Woohoo! Because of that, yesterday was day 16, I believe, which means yesterday was my halfway point between starting these vlogs and leaving the country. Also, yesterday I got my first "I'll miss you." I don't know if that makes any sense, but my host aunt was saying, "Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna miss fighting with you," because that's like the basis of part of our relationship is we play fight with each other. Like verbally. She would totally take me out in a physical fight. We just were always messing with each other. And she's like, "Yeah, I'm gonna miss that." While we were having like a birthday dinner for Eddie because today is his birthday. It actually looks pretty good. Look at that. I mean, under all these papers here, but look at that. Not bad, not bad. I'm gonna make the binder now, or at least start to. I finished the binder. I don't know how it happened. We just bought these on Wednesday and I didn't transport these here, but it's already broken. Alright, I finished putting all of the cards in alphabetical order. Took, maybe an hour. Also, the kids in my class left these pillows a mess, so now I have to clean this up. Everyone's leaving school, and I'm going back upstairs because I gotta finish this bin. So I didn't finish, but school ended about an hour ago. So this is gonna have to do.